Hello, friends. Until a century ago, slavery was existing into this world. But now we know that it is mostly abolished. But now there is a different kind of slavery which is slowly entering into our life. I am talking about addiction of a smartphone and screen. You know that around 30-35 years back, when television entered into our life, it took a significant part of our time. Some intelligent people used to call it idiot box because the idiots are sitting in front of television, wasting their time and getting nothing at the end. Still, in those days, the programs were good, were not so harmful. Only thing, it was a wastage of time because not many things were there to learn out of it. But now this idiot box has been converted into a small idiot box and has been handed over to each and every person. Even most learned, educated and intelligent parents are also handing over the phones to their small kids. I'm really surprised and worried when I see that the kids of the age of 1 to 3 years are playing with the smartphones. Parents are giving the smartphones to their small kids so that they stop crying. Is that the only way to stop the children from crying? You know that how harmful it is? You daily get the messages in WhatsApp explaining how harmful the smartphone can be for kids. Even it has been seen that in some part of the world, small children who are wasting their time 3, 4, 5, 6 hours a day on a smartphone are becoming psycho. Their thinking ability is changing, their thinking pattern is spoiled, their eyes are spoiled, their body is getting strained. But still, parents just forward those messages, don't implement into their own life, and then give the excuse that बच्चा मानता नहीं है जी, देना पड़ता है, क्या करें, रोने लगता है. These are not sufficient excuses. It is actually our own fault because we ourselves has been wasting most of the time into a smartphone and the kids are watching us, and kids are best imitators. When they watch you playing into a smartphone, watching videos into a smartphone, they also get a charm that they should also have a smartphone, they should also be watching videos into that. This is something really good. That's what the message they get. Even if you tell them not to use this, if you stop them, they are not going to stop because they are watching you, and you cannot teach your children by telling something. You can only teach your children by doing what you want them to do. So don't waste your time into smartphones. This is a precise time. See, normally what happens, suppose you pick up your phone to call somebody, and then you open the phone and see that there is a message, and you start reading that message, and then there is a feed, you start reading that feed, then you go to one app, then you switch to another app, then you keep scroll, then you scroll and keep on scrolling, and by the time you realize around half an hour or 1 hour is wasted. Are you going to get this 1 hour back into your life? Never ever, because the time gone is gone forever. It's a part of your life. That part of your life is gone. You will never get that time back. And what did you got out of that? Nothing. Some funny information from here, some funny information from there, nothing significant, nothing something which is really going to add on to your life. No, very few people are utilizing this technology for their own benefit, for their own betterment. I'm not saying that smartphones are the worst thing, they are the best thing. I'm telling you, but you should know that how to use it, how to utilize it for your own benefit, for your own advantage. Don't just get carried away with whatever has been presented to you. You should know that how you should use it, and then consciously you should utilize it. Don't just waste your time into that. So I think you all are intelligent and understanding that what message I want to give you here. At least don't spoil your kids' life. Stop them, and you will not be able to stop overnight. You need to work on it consciously and slowly. Every day you need to gradually reduce their screen time, and then you will be able to do it. So all the best, and act consciously in the life. Thank you so much.